All right, so I know it's been quite a while since my last video. Been kind of busy, and to be quite honest, my shop, if you want to call it that, the garage area, really isn't an area right now that I'm able to work in. And I've just been, like I said, I've been very, very busy lately. So I think it was, Veterans Day 2022, my last video I put out. We still have a lot of stuff in storage here. My wife went ahead and took a trip to Arkansas and brought back all of our stuff that we had left there. So all 3 units that we had there are now here. Unfortunately, we still have 3 units here. A lot of my garage stuff is still in storage. I'll go ahead and I'll turn the camera around and show you what the garage looks like. It's summertime here, well, getting to be summertime. In Texas, heat is beginning to start up. So it's in the 90s with a heat index in the hundreds. I'm already sweating out here. I'm doing a couple things here and there. I'll show you here in just a second what I'm doing. Okay, all right, so here we are. So, I have a lot of wood, a lot more wood. A whole lot of equipment here. I got a light up there. I've got my toolbox, my tool bench, more tools and yard equipment. I don't know. This is really hard to show everybody because it's a mess. I've got one nest box I've been working on just for having it available. I've got a bunch of stuff hanging on the wall. My clamps, my long clamps and shorter clamps I've got over here. Those are BB guns, so it's nothing really much. More wood. Sawhorses. A fan that doesn't do a whole lot of anything, moves a little bit of air. That fan, about the same. This bird nest box, I've just about got done. I just stained it. I'm waiting for it to dry. I had a little bit of bleed in here, or where it ran and pooled up, but I can sand that back down here. We've got our deep freezer going. I've got a mulcher over here. It's not really big. I have an extra one I was trying to sell. It was like almost $700 to get this thing. My tool, my table saw. I've got my weed eater that I like. A lot of the yard tools over here. Extra chairs we need to refurbish and get out of here. My other tool bench. Got 2 lawnmowers. You know anybody in the Dallas area that needs a lawnmower? I have an extra one I'd like to sell. More wood. More wood. More wood. I finally got my bandsaw put together. I have not put my drill press together, and I don't have my planer out of the box yet, and my miter saw is just sitting here. The actual bench for that is here. So there's not a whole lot of room. I've been working through a lot of stuff. Of course, let me go ahead and get the camera turned around. So, of course, if you've been a subscriber of the channel for any time now, since we've been back to Texas, you know that before we came back, I got laid off from my my telecom job. Couldn't find anything up there. And when we got back here, of course, it was during the pandemic and nobody wanted to hire anybody. But I finally got on at a place, Central Market. It's a grocery chain, H-E-B. I don't know if you're familiar with H-E-B, Central Market. That's where I was working. I was in maintenance for the first 3 months. and moved over to the bakery as a scratch baker, making breads. I shape the bread and bake the bread now. Did that, I don't know, for about 9-10 months. And now I actually, in March of this year, the beginning of March, I went in February actually. I had a company local that I used to, the company I worked for, we used to deal with them. But one of the guys I used to work with sent me a message saying, you know, hey, this company's looking for an engineer, and would you be interested? And of course, yes, I was interested. So I went in and I did an interview and was hired on the spot. So they wanted me to go full time. I couldn't quit right away at the bakery. I don't know, maybe it's my age group or something, but I don't like to just walk away from a job. I want to give you 2 weeks notice, and I also want to make sure that I don't hurt the team that I'm part of. And I'm sweating out here. So now what I'm doing is I'm working full-time as a telecom engineer with a company called TRCA. Very good pay now. I've got all kinds of benefits there. I work Monday through Friday. I set my own hours pretty much, and I work remotely from home. I do have to go into the office a couple times here and there. Like next week, I'll be going in for a couple of days to go through some stuff with one of the other engineers, so I can start helping him on Avaya equipment. And then I guess a month or two from now, I'm going to go and I'm going to be certified as a Mitel engineer. I'm working on the old Nortel platform, the old Nortel product. If you're in telecom, you know what I'm talking about. So I'm working. I've got a couple of 81s, 61s, option 11s, and things like that I've been dealing with. A lot of the old Meridian Mail and Call Pilots. So anyhow, that's what I've been doing. So I've been working bakery weekends and evenings when they need me, and working daytime, full-time for TRCA. So I haven't really had a whole lot of spare time, and the spare time I have, I've been kind of trying to rest up from the other stuff I've been doing. So anyhow, I really apologize for the length of time in between videos, and I will start trying very hard and diligently to get a video out at least once a week or once a month. I'm not sure. If you have any suggestions on what videos you want me to do, let me know. I'll be happy to see what I can do about that. I'm probably going to start doing a couple videos to do more or less just building birdhouses. Not a whole lot of talking, just putting them together. But anyhow, I'll do some of those. I've got some more outside furniture, benches and things, wood and metal that I'll be refurbishing as well. I got some tables I want to finish refurbishing, and we've got a lot of different wood I'll be doing a lot of different things with. So anyhow, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna end this video. I'll put it all together, upload it, and get it out there. So if you're interested and you haven't subscribed, please do. Give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs down. Either way, if you give me a thumbs down, let me know what it is you don't like. That way I can try to figure out how to make my videos and my channel better. And leave a comment. So I guess, like I said, I'll try to do at least one video a week. I don't know how that's going to go. I'm not going to promise anything right off the bat, but I will try my best to get one video a week. I don't like putting out videos that don't have any content whatsoever. Just, for putting a video out, I've never liked to do that. So, but anyhow, I'll go ahead and I'll get this one done and upload it, and we'll see you on the next video.